Hello everybody, welcome back to Richie's Food and Nature, Ireland. We're heading down to West Cork and we're going over the mountains into Kerry today. The best of scenery, and we're going to be cooking a lovely stir fry by a beautiful waterfall, so stay tuned. Where are you from?
Germany.
Germany. Are you living down here, or are you just holidays or holiday?
You too for holiday?
Oh, I live up in Cork, so just
Cork.
down for the drive for the day.
Is it a typical weekend trip here for you guys?
Yeah, like I have a YouTube channel, you know, and I just I go around to lovely scenery, cooking food, and
Okay.
yeah.
What a pity we have seen that before.
Oh yeah.
Your YouTube channel.
Yeah. Or subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, okay.
It's Richie's Food and Nature, Ireland. Richie's Food and Nature, Ireland. It'll come up. Richie's Food will come up anyway straight away.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we're by the beautiful waterfall that I was telling you about. So I'm just after dicing up some garlic there now. I'm chopping up the onions there now too. We have the rice on the boil there, as you can see. And Benji is sniffing all over the place because he's getting his breast of chicken as well in a minute, and he's starving, the poor fella. So once we have all the veg chopped and we're ready to go into the wok, we'll bring you back, so stay tuned. We're just after throwing the wok on the stove there now, so we're just going in with some olive oil. Just a drizzle is all it needs. Then we're going to go in with our onions and garlic, because I like when the onions are nice and soft in the stir fry. And scrape in the garlic as well. And you just leave them sweat down them for a while, and you add the peppers pretty much soon after, maybe about 2 minutes after, not even, about a minute after. So and then we season our chicken in salt and pepper. We'll dice up our chicken goes in then, and the mushrooms go in last. And look at the absolute beauty of this place. Unbelievable place to be cooking, and this is what I love to do. So like and subscribe if you want to see this every week. Just seasoning our chicken there now with a bit of sea salt and a bit of black pepper, and we'll be dicing it up then and getting it ready for the wok. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. You cannot beat cooking out in the wilderness like this. It's just unreal. So you better like and subscribe if you like this. Like, the veg is nice and soft there now. So I'm just going to go in with a bit of soy sauce there now, and I'll be adding the chicken then after that. So you can stay tuned there now for that. I'll give it a good mix up, make sure that garlic gets down off the side as well. It's all flavour. So you have the chicken diced up there now, ready to go. Oh, it's going to be stunning. Stay tuned there now till it's ready. It won't be about 10 minutes, we'll be back to you. Oh, Benji. Oh, fella. Oh. Right, it's just cooking away now, and as you can see, it looks unreal. My mouth is watering. Now we just go in with the mushrooms. And last of all then we have some coriander. Very, very important to the stir fry, I think. It just adds unbelievable flavour to it. I think the Americans call it cilantro, but it's coriander today. Oh, it's going to be unreal. You can get coriander in the little I don't know, shakers, but you can't bait the fresh stuff, I think. So that's what I always try and do. Use fresh herbs whenever I can. So the best way to do it. So stay tuned there now, and we'll show you the finished product in a minute. Absolutely stunning. It's the most beautiful country in the world if we get the weather. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, stir fry is all cooked with a lovely boiled rice, and my mouth is absolutely watering now because I'm starving. So we're just going to go in with a taste there now. Even Benji wants some. Don't you, Ben? It's a little bit too spicy for Benji, but we are going to be making Benji his very own chicken breast in a minute, so we'll get that on video as well, don't worry. And like and subscribe to the channel if you like seeing beautiful scenery like this and seeing me cook. Like and subscribe and share with your friends, and also stay tuned for next week's video because we have some really good stuff coming up. I'm busting some of my friends out of jail. They got themselves in a little bit of a pinch. That's the only clue you're getting. So stay tuned for that. Thanks a lot. Benji's chicken is done there now, and he's starving. Oh, Ben. Oh. Right, you wait till I say go on now, alright? You wait. Oh. Go on. Loyal to the end. I just want to wish a happy birthday to my buddy in work, Decky. Deck, happy birthday, my friend. He always watches my videos, so respect for that. So stay tuned next week, we'll be busting my friends out of jail. Thanks for watching.